back to Lyric channel. Today's video is gonna be another crazy prank. Why? Because we're about to be doing piercing prank on my mom. So you guys can see that by the title. So I got my naughty baby brother right here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hello. Jump, 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 jump. So you guys might be wondering why am I making so much noise and my mom can't hear me. Obviously she's not here. She's probably somewhere else. And I'm in my room right now and the door's closed, so she basically cannot hear me. Okay guys, so I already put these two on because it was so hard to put, and I put them I think the camera. Basically my baby brother just got the hair accessories and run away with them. Oh, never mind. They're here. So guys, that's how it look like right now. I'm gonna put like it closer. It's like basically hair accessories. Okay, hopefully you guys could see it. So I'm about to put one in my nose because I want it to look really realistic. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right here and I'm gonna like kind of. Okay guys, this is perfect. Look how realistic. My mom is gonna freak out and I want that to happen because she been pranking me. She kicked me out of the channel. Literally, she been making videos with my dad or either with my brother or herself. She forgot about me. And the other reason is because I've been going to school. But she can't just kick me out of the channel like that because, you know, she never thinks that I'll be doing a prank on her right now because basically it's been months, like 2 months, 2-3 months since I made a video on this channel, like any other channels. So that's why I'm here. Oh my god, I can't do anything with my nose. It's so like far back. My nose, like. Okay guys, so I'm about to vlog this video and see where she is right now because she's like so close. And like my ears are so red from these piercing. Like it looks so realistic. But guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video and give this video views and everything, and I'll see you when the war prank is gonna become. Guys, my mom is here in her room. She's like over there, like in that room right there. I don't know how you guys could see it. And as you can see, I still got those piercing everywhere, so I'm just gonna like wait till she comes or I call her, and if I don't see her still coming, but I'm gonna find a way. So what the plan is, I'm gonna be watching TV and then probably I'm gonna call her in or something, and then she's just gonna come in and we're gonna start the prank. But this prank is gonna be super duper funny, so that's why I want you guys to subscribe right now and watch this video, share it to your family and friends, and like this video. Don't give it a thumbs down, give it a big thumbs up. Okay guys, okay, just wait till she comes. So I'm gonna be pretending I'm watching TV and everything, and then let's see what happens next.
Miss, I told you don't let the light open in your room.
Mommy, I'm sorry, okay?
When you leave the light open every day, you know how much money is gonna pay your mom?
I was doing something, I forgot to close it.
Go on, dude. Watch me. My baby. You give him his bottle. Kiss him drink his milk.
Yeah.
And the mouth like that in the same. Kasi new yeah no.
It's an old set.
Huh?
It's one of the old views.
Before that, Lisa, did you do your homework?
Yes.
When?
By like 3 o'clock.
By like 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, you watching the TV. You watching the TV at 3 o'clock.
I was in my room.
Lisa, let me see your face. Turn your face.
Nothing wrong, you just stop.
Lisa, view your figure.
But there's nothing in my face.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais figure là?
There's nothing in my face.
Why you cover your face?
Cause the light is blocking my eyes. Right now.
Right now?
Well, there's nothing in my face, okay? Bro, there's nothing in my face.
Lisa, please give me a favor. Go in my room right now, straight back, bring me my glasses. Allons chambre kounya, Lisa, prends lunettes là, moi pour me faire, parce que je ne pas bien manger là.
There's nothing in my nose, and my face.
Non, avec de mon gars, on va dans mais ils sont on va parler pour les autres. Mais ça, on va la percer non.
Nah, mommy, what money do I have?
You piercing your nose?
I did not pierce my nose.
I have to stand up.
Bro, mommy, there's nothing in my face.
Lisa, put your face back up.
Bro, there's nothing in my face. Mommy, you could go to There's not why you laugh.
Hey, Lisa, since you got your nose piercing, Lisa, you put.
Mommy, bro, you're Why stop? You can make it go through my nose. Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me.
Non, ma travail chaque jour vraiment maman
And what money do I have to pierce my nose?
Maman greta get the bag pack away Lisa, you piercing your nose?
I mean, it's nice. All the kids in my class have pierced nose. I mean,
so what? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by
Mom, stop pushing me because when you do that, it makes it hurt inside of my nose. Like you push me too hard. Don't touch me, mommy. Go sit down. That's not a big of deal.
Lisa, ma brache fait non, ma brache fait non la gâte. Qui depuis qui l'a passé non Lisa?
By 10 o'clock this morning.
Ma travail chaque jour, ma greta get the bag vraiment pour me perdre du temps pour me fixer yo. Lisa, pas passer non? Bon gars.
Mommy, don't do that. Said no, it hurts me. It actually hurt my nose. Like I just got a piece of shit that be pushing me like that.
I don't care.
What you gotta tell me? I just wanted to do it.
Lisa, when you got that money? Tell me where you got that money.
I don't know.
Lisa, who pierced your nose?
Mommy, I just went to the nose stuff. I don't know, like they just pierced my nose.
Who gave you that money to pierce your nose?
I don't know. I got it from you. I get your money.
My money?
Yes, your money.
Let me see.
Mommy, look. Okay, don't look, cause I want to show you. I pierced right here. I pierced right here. And I pierced right here.
Lisa, eu même seulement petit film bien. Tu t'as pensé que tu as choisi faire
basically, but it's a nice thing though.
Okay, look at mine. When I'm passé?
Yeah, but you look really great with pierced nose. Mommy, just sit down, relax, and watch something, and stop acting so weird. Like
Fait qu'on est dépassé non pour là.
I can't do that. It's pierced. It's like inside of my nose.
I don't care.
Mommy, you know what you have to do?
Lisa, I don't care. Put that thing off on.
Mommy, you know what you have to do? You have to go to like tomorrow. Since I'm not getting this off, but if you want me to take one of them off, like one, maybe this one, you have to go to. You have to bring me back there and then try to unpierce it. But these two, I'm not unpiercing them.
Let me
Stop, because you don't make this good thing get inside of my nose. What are you doing? Like you trying to like what if you call? Oh my gosh, guys, my mom almost popped my nose. Like this thing is literally inside my nose and it hurts so bad. Oh my gosh, this thing is going so. Wait, what? Guys, this week is going so well. I can't wait to see. What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Why are you calling my dad for my dad knows? Yes, my dad knows that I crushed. That I pierced my Next is a tattoo. Yes.
On t'y couche, je fait dans la chambre, là, nous venons dans la télévision, on connaît maman tard, ou entre avant. Et pas moi d'abiner ça personne, ça nous ça côté que tant elle personne déjà. Mais les ça personne, on là non mais là, les ça personne. Les ça nous ça que tout petit monde dans classe yo personne yo, ou il faut le personne tout bas.
Why you gotta snitch? You gotta snitch.
Mais ça là, baby. Pero là, mais pas là.
Hello? Yes, I pierced my nose. You already know that I pierced my nose.
She said that on my face. She said I pierced my nose because all my friends pierced their nose. Baby, they said they must have tout zombie you person and the person n'est pas pour la caille no one. Pour personne ou tout le monde passe personne tout.
Like I can pierce my nose. If I want to, I can pierce my nose all I want. The next thing is a tattoo. Next time we'll get a tattoo in my shoulder.
Next time you got contact with man. What's that deal?
You guys cannot do anything about it. Blast off. Guys, this week is going so well. I can't believe she actually called my dad and everything. Like, you know, she's right there. She's freaking out, and I'm still gonna get her really bad because that's what she get for kicking me out of the channel. I'm not lying. My dad knows that I pierced my nose. Like, my dad literally brought me to the. He can't do that. Why are you looking at? Why are you trying to catch yourself? I know you're trying to beat me up. Like you can't do that. Like yes, my nose, you can't touch that. And if you try to pull this,
what you gonna do?
I'm gonna tell. I'm gonna tell because you cannot touch my nose. I can't. Here's what. You have to bring these back tomorrow to take only this one, but these two you're not taking.
Who said you got that? Me? You
I want
like
that? I want it. I want it. I want my nose. No.
Ma conte ve sous 3. Laisse arrêter son ça non. Ma conte ve sous 5. Laisse arrêter son ça non.
Why are you following me for?
So bon va tout côté là. Ma lâcher le non.
What is that?
Hello.
Oh my.
Et ben si là me doit aller passer là, mais me donner ça passer. Ou je donner ça faire, ça va faire je donner ça passer, ça passer oreilles. Moi je dois dire ça. Et ben les ça dit moi ça ou te que ton connaît passer derrière ses oreilles.
Yeah, my dad knows.
You don't connaît she's lying. You connaît ça ça mentir là bas.
No, it's actually purse. I already told her I pierced my nose.
Pour y a ouais problème qui vient là, on va l'école pour y a bas au propre y a l'école pour ça on fait pour y a acheter 100 euros personnel. Y a fait. They say, well got that. But we want to take this up there. I can't take this up there. I've been now for here. I saw up there. What there?
Bro, Mom, what you trying to do? What you trying to do? Because you're not gonna touch me.
They say, you know me? Do you know me? Okay?
Yes.
Don't make me slap your face, okay?
By the way, the piercing goes along with my outfit. See, the shirt is not right.
Ils ont le fort belle, ils ont personne n'a pas fort belle là,
so basically in total, I got like 5 piercings.
Jeez. Ma volé bon.
You can't take these off. Why are you throwing all the... Like, you can't. Let me walk out. I'll walk. You're literally pushing me through. I'll walk. I'll walk. I love it. It's a prank. It's a prank.
I'll call my boy stop for.
It's a prank, guys. Guys, look at my little reaction. I'm lost out of breath. Guys, you see how she was running around? Y'all got her good, guys. I'm out of breath. I told you that. I just made a prank. This was so good, guys. You guys cannot lie. This was the best prank ever. Yes, because so that the prank could look realistic. You kicked me out of the channel. You know how long me and you. Yes.
Guys, when is gonna faire racher ça nan nen parce que m'pa No.
I took that one because it hurt too
much. Not you, Nisa. She took it out. Oh, I took it out.
Mommy, you have to clap. Clap for the prank. Clap for the
prank. Nisa fait m'souti moun tap kale, mais ça il ba bidon marcher sou fiel Nisa. Nisa on ça bi ka faire. Vous ça va faire prank sur moi comme ça ti moun. OK, on pas connait comment Nisa fait prank ça sur moi. Nisa, qu'est-ce bon idea ça?
So I've been watching YouTube, and then I saw one of your videos, and you did that prank to my dad. So I'm like, I have to do this prank. Cause I know it's not gonna do it.
On fait un prank, on l'aime des personnes, on fait un prank vidéo. T'es content de ti moun? So babi, peut-être ça choisir acheter zan ça ou faire prank sur moi. Et puis l'aime pas comme à l'école, l'acheter zan ou faire prank sur moi ti moun.
No guys, it was not earring. It was hair accessories to put on the braids. But
it just looked like earring.
Yeah, guys, it looked like earrings. So I got her so good. If you know you like this video and you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a big fat thumbs up. Thumbs down
on this game. Okay, ti moun, mes amis tête chargée. Je coucher là dans chambre, n'am tout n'am vinn font jamais ça fait font mauvais courir là. Et puis me pas vraiment ça.
She was running after me. She was literally chasing me. My mom was like a monster. She was chasing me to get me. She threw pillows at me and everything.
Oh, I took one bye. Say goodbye.
Bye guys. Say one goodbye.
Bye bye.